Here are the function introduction to FW3150. At the very beginning, let's take the power line out of the empty slot at the button of the machine. One of the two plugs that is splayed heading joint plugs into the power interface of the machine. Another one connects the power. If the power light is normally on, dry food default, and the standard indicator light is on, it means that the machine is working properly. I would like to introduce how to use the cutter knife and the manual seal. Pull the storage bag from the bag slot to pass under the cutter knives. And to the silicone seal, seal one side of the bag first, close the cover lightly. Pay attention to the bag mouth and keep it from moving, and then press the manual seal button. The indicator light lights up gradually. When the indicator light transhan and the alarm is on, you can open the cover lightly and the sealing is finished. At this time, you can pull the bag. Choose the length of it for your needs, then use the cutter knife gently like this way and a new bag comes out. Or you can choose the length of the bag according to your food or your favorites and cut and seal. Via the machines, grain bags, flat bags, tea bags, folding bags, cling film, specialty bags and aluminum bags all can be sealed. I would like to show you how to make the moist vacuum sealing. First, pack the moist food and put the bag mouth flat in the vacuum slot. Press the button to buckle one side of the bag mouth to prevent it from moving. We can press the button moist on the right after closing the cover. The normal situation the indicator light displays is moist and keep fresh. You can choose keep fresh when the food is juicy or the bag is too small, and press standard when there is less food or the bag is big enough. After pressing vacuum sealing, you can see that the working light starts glinting. When the light stops glinting and the alarm stops, the vacuum sealing has been done. Later, open the cover and you can take out the packed food. Even when you press the packaged food heavily, there will be no water leaking out of the bag. How perfect it is! You can just pour away the water directly if there is some in the drip tray. What's more, you can stop the machine at any time when it is working and control the vacuum degree by yourself. It is much more convenient and humanized. I would like to show you how to make an air inflation. Firstly, put potato chips into the bag and adjust the drip tray. Put the extraction vent exactly into the air outlet point. Close the cover and press the indicator light as well as the button manual. Press the button seal after the air inflation is done. I would like to show you how to use manual. First, pack the food and hold the button manual and it starts vacuum sealing. It will stop vacuum sealing while you release the button. The vacuum sealing starts when you press manual and keep the food in an optimal vacuum condition. It is especially suitable for oily and juicy food as well as those friends who would like to keep broth. I would like to show you how to use dry, standard, and sterile. Normally, the dry press is in standard state, or you can choose the sterile. You can choose either of them according to the type of food. The standard is in high degree of vacuum. It is efficient and has a good effect, while the sterile is in higher degree of vacuum, which is up to commercial grade and is not needed for food generally. I would like to show you how to use moist, keep fresh, and standard. Normally, the moist press is in keep fresh state, and it is effective to use standard for less moist food. The keep fresh is mainly for juicy or oily food, which seals the bag automatically after extracting the air inside. Keep broth and water inside for different families' needs. I would like to show you how to connect the machine externally with storage bag and vacuum can. Put the small quilts into the storage bag or vacuum can. Then connect one end of the vacuum tube with the machine and the other one with the storage bag. Choose canister and the machine will stop working automatically when the air inside is extracted. It is so easy and convenient and you will never worry about your clothes taking up too much space. Usually, you can also put small objects or liquids into the vacuum can for storage. Any questions about FW3150 Mr. Fresh, please dial the free national hotline 400-8829-020, 400-8829-020. Please pay attention to these details. 1. It works when the power light is on. 2. Please do not turn off the machine compulsively before the working lights and sound are under working. 3. Select different buttons according to the characteristics of food and the vacuum degree for better foods packing. 4. Remember to cut off the power for the maintenance of the machine when it is not in use. Introduction to Fresh World brand. Fresh World, sterile life. We are committed to create the first brand for vacuum fresh machine. Fresh World was founded in 2005 and has been regarding keep people, food fresh and healthy as our mission, have gone through ups and downs for 10 years. We have successfully obtained great achievements and groups of cooperative strategic partners from TVS 801 series small vacuum machine and TVS 2013 Home Series automatic vacuum machine to the most advanced FW3150 series today with the supports of all the clients and friends. From countryside to city, from inland to overseas, Fresh World, healthy life, a happy life starts from now on.